maximum of 10 pages. So if I were you, I will give 2 pages for theoretical framework, 8 pages for literature review. That is, if I'm having 4 sub-research questions, 1 sub-research question, 2 pages. 2 sub-research question, 4 pages. 3 sub-research question, 6 pages. Isn't it? For the 4th sub-research question, how many pages? 8. Then plus 2 for theory, making 10 pages. Or if you want your theory to be 4 pages and you have 3 sub-research questions, 6 pages, it's left for you. Are we on the same page? Are we on the same page? Answer me, are we on the same page?
Yes.
Are we on the same page?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, inside your theoretical framework, we want to see, you want to ask yourself this question. What is the theory? That's why I said you should write down. What is the theory you are using? You are using leadership theory. What is leadership theory? Number 2 question you ask yourself, how is it related? How is it related to your topic or to your study? How is it related to your topic? Number 3 question, who propounded the theory? Who propounded the theory? Who formulated the theory? Who is the owner of the theory? You see? Constructivism theory by Van Gogh, 1934. Social learning theory for Bandura, 1948. Leadership theory by Brunner, 1956. You see? And the last thing you ask yourself, I've told you what is the theory, how is it related to your study, who was the propounder of the theory, and some theory has assumption. Some, not everyone. Put the assumption there. If the theory has assumption, put assumption there. If it doesn't, don't put it there. So when you now link it, we really want to see how it is linked to your paper, to your study. It's what we are interested in. Am I communicating now? Then you now go to your literature review. Literature review, the first sub-research questions give you the first literature review, which we start from 2.2. 2.1 is the heading, theoretical framework and literature review. 2.2 is the theoretical framework. 2.3 is the literature review. Then 2.3.1, first literature review from the first sub-research question. 2.3.2, second literature review from the second sub-research question. 2.3.3, third literature review from the third sub-research question. It's not here, it's in paper. Write it down, see? Write it down nicely. Let me go back again. And slowly now. Let me go back again. If you have 3 sub-research questions, you can write it in the Concert of African. It's your book. Just make sure you understand what I'm saying. If you have 3 sub-research questions, then the first sub-research question, the first one, you get literature review from it. You remember? Yes. The team, eh? You get literature review from it. Now, in section 2, we have gotten the title of the section. We make it 2.1. Literature review and theoretical framework. Isn't it? That's 2.1. Literature review and theoretical framework, 2.1. That is, what you saw there is 2.1. Then, yeah, the literature review and theoretical framework, that bullet under section 2 is 2.1. Then 2.2, you start with the theory, the theoretical framework. 2.2, the theoretical framework. 2.2, theoretical framework. Mind you, if your theories are subheadings, they will have 2.2.1, 2.2.2, 2.2.3. It's still 2.2. If your theory has some subheadings, am I communicating now? it should be